How to check Sephora gift card balance. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search sephora.com/beauty/gift cards. You'll find this kind of page pop up. In this page, simply scroll down. Scroll down, you'll find all the gift cards option, and below all the gift cards, you will find check balance. Here, add 16-digit gift card number. Then add your gift card PIN number. After you've added the PIN number, press on check balance. After you click on check balance, you will be able to check your balance of your gift card as it will appear here. This is how to check Sephora gift card balance. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.